Licensing and copywriting. Software licensing is the legal right to run or the privilege given to you by a company to access their application. Whenever we install a program in a software in our computer, they provide us a license and we have to accept their terms and conditions. Then only that software will be installed on our computer system. A common example of licensing is that we observe in our daily lives the license given by the Windows operating system, which is a proprietary software to install the Windows OS on our computer system. This figure shows a copyright of Microsoft, which indicates that Windows 8 is a copyright of Microsoft. That is, the software is a licensed product of Microsoft and has to be legally purchased for its use. It comes with a license agreement, which is to be read first and to be agreed upon for the successful installation and usage of the software. Under the link, there is a link, read the Microsoft software license terms. This link. When we click on this link, the Microsoft terms and conditions will appear. As soon as you click on this link, you get to see a license with terms and conditions. A license agreement governs the use of licensed software. License agreements typically allow the software to run on a limited number of computers and allow copies to be made, though solely for backup purpose. Advantages of using a licensed software. By using licensed software, you are able to contribute to further development of the program you are using. That is, we can change the or edit the source code of a program. Licensed software comes with outright support, not found in pirated softwares. In pirated softwares, they do not have a license. License is classified into proprietary license and free and open source license. So, software license is classified into proprietary license and free and open source license. Free and open source license is further classified into copyleft license and permissive license. So let us see what is proprietary license. In proprietary license, exclusive rights in the software are retained with the owner or developer or the publisher. The owner reserves all the freedoms and rights to use and distribute these proprietary software. Violation of proprietary license leads to copyright infringement, that is, copyright violation of law. They restrict inspection, modification of source code, and further distribution. We cannot modify the source code of a proprietary software because source code is not in the form of a, we cannot edit the source code or we cannot distribute the source code. All the freeware softwares that are free of cost, most of the freeware softwares are using proprietary license. Next is free and open source license. Free and open source license refers to a software that users can safely run, adapt and redistribute without legal restraint and which emphasize on freedom. Free and open source softwares can be downloaded and its source code can be changed and even we can distribute these softwares to our friends. Open source software is a software with source code that is publicly available under a license that gives users the right to study, change, and distribute that software, and emphasis on security, cost saving, and transparency. Free and open source software allows using, copying, studying, and modifying the software, and the source code to be openly shared so that people are encouraged to voluntarily improve the design of the software. Let us see what are the two types of open source softwares licenses. They are permissive license and copyleft license. Permissive license provide a royalty free license to do virtually anything with the source code. They permit using, copying, modifying, merging, publishing, distributing, sub-licensing or selling, but distribution can only be made without the source code, as source code modifications can lead to permissive license violation. In permissive license, we can do anything without sharing the source code. Examples of permissive license are Apache and W3C licenses. Next is copyleft license. In copyleft license, the source code has to be provided. We can provide the source code. Also, we can distribute and modify the source code. Examples of copyleft licenses are General Public License (GPL), Creative Commons License, Lesser General Public License, Mozilla Public License. Let us see the features of some of the licenses. First one is General Public License or GPL. Here, copying the software. There is no limit to copying the code. You can copy it in your own server or on the client server or on the local workstations anywhere and as many times as you want. Distribution. You can distribute it in your thumb or hard drives. You can distribute the code under this license with a download link on your website, or you can print the code on a paper. In fact, whatever form of distribution is you can prefer. Charge a fee. You can charge someone for the software, but remember to give them a copy of GNU GPL, because the copy of certificate is given because we can provide the source code to the user who is downloading the software with this GPL license, which would tell them that they can get the software free from anywhere. ACC, Creative Commons license, has 4 basic parts. Accreditation. Author must be acknowledged as the creator of the work. The work can then be modified, distributed, copied, and used. Before copying the work, we should acknowledge the author. Shared with CC. The work can be modified and distributed, but only under CC license. Non-commercial. Work can be modified and distributed, but not for commercial purpose. No derivative works. You can copy and distribute the licensed work, but you can't modify it in any way or create work based on the origin. Next is Apache license. It offers the following salient features. Rights are never ending. Once the rights under Apache license have been granted, you can continue to use them forever. There is no need to renew them. Worldwide authority of rights. Even if rights are granted to one country, automatically they are considered as granted to all countries. Rights for no fee or royalty. Any charge, neither upfront nor per usage or on any other basis, is applicable. That is, license softwares having Apache license is free. Rights are irrevocable. No one can ever tell you that your derivative of the code that was licensed under this license can't be in use anymore, because it is always available. The difference between licensing and copyright. Copyright is a type of intellectual property protection. Licensing is a kind of risk control measure that can be applied to control copyright and less exposure. So, the licensor or the owner can grant permissions that usually takes the form of a licensing agreement to use its copyrighted material. This agreement specifies the exact material to be used, purpose of the work, and the duration of the license. Okay, thank you.